Essay on Why I Love Pakistan. Patriotism is an innate passion. Everyone loves his homeland. The proverb, "My country, right or wrong," speaks volumes about love of country. History of the world is replete with the deeds of patriots who sacrificed their lives for their country. My love is to my country is unconditional. We honor our parents because they are our parents, and we feel a strong bond with them. Pakistan is my favorite country for various reasons. I love my country because I was born here. I have grown up here. This is the country which gave me identity. Here I have a lot of friends whom I admire and appreciate. My ancestors have made this a good piece of land for me. This is the only country in the world which is made in the name of Islam. It is the land of attraction for me. I am proud of its history. I like its traditions, customs, and its people, who are loving and caring. I am fond of its culture, heritage, music, and its cuisines. Its stunningly beautiful landscape attracts me beyond description. We have many famous people, scientists, poets, writers, and artists who are our real asset. I love indigenous festivities and sports. My country has a rich culture, providing a lot of fun. It is full of natural resources. I love my country because it is full of opportunities for its people. Here I have freedom of choice and innumerable attractions. I love its people who join hands in the time of adversity. My country has 4 seasons which enhance the charm of living. Here I feel at home in every way. And above all, Pakistan is my birthplace and my home. All of my relatives live here. I admit there are lacking sectors, but they can be improved. The security conditions are not satisfactory, but they can be normal with our efforts. There may be greener pastures than my homeland in the world, but the satisfaction, easiness, and comfort which I feel here cannot be found anywhere else. It is natural instinct in living beings that they feel well off in the native environment. So I always love my country more than any other place in the world. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.